Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get in and get out of step-on uh, bindings. These are 2019 Burton step-ons. You step in like this, okay? Pull the lever up, twist your foot like this. Again, pull the lever up, twist your heel inwards. Once again, pull the lever up, twist inwards. Okay. Now a tip. So I'll be honest with you. Initially, I had a few difficulties getting out of the bindings, and then I realized that it's much easier if I'm facing uphill. It's still possible to get out if I am facing downhill, but it's a bit awkward because it's not as easy to lift your heel up. So let me show you. Now notice I'm facing uphill. My toe edge is higher than my heel edge, and it's much easier to get out. Hope you liked the video.